Hi, I'm Mike with Bears Home Solutions. Today we're going to talk about sump pump maintenance and what you can do to prevent any mishaps in the spring. The sump pump is something you very much want to be on top of, especially in those winters where we have a lot of snow. Spring can come pretty quick and water levels can raise. So you definitely want to be testing these sump pumps. There's a couple ways to test it. Some pumps you're able to disconnect the cord and plug it straight in and it will activate the pump. In particular situation, we can't do that. So the only way you could test this is by filling it up with water. You can hook a hose to the water heater. You can pull water from anywhere. You can fill a bucket outside and dump it in there if you need to. In particular sump pump, they also have a battery backup sump pump. This in particular battery backup is a nice setup because it does have alarms on it. You can also hook up a Wi-Fi notification to this one, so you can get an email or a text, whichever you prefer. Wintertime, on the outside of the house with the sump pump. A lot of people have those black corrugated tubes that run from the sump pump so you can get the water away from the house. They're a great thing, so you don't just have water pouring right back down your foundation. The problem is if you don't remove that in the winter, water stays in there and they do freeze. So you definitely want to disconnect those in the winter. This in particular setup also has what's called a bypass system. You have the option to pump water outside or directly into the sewer. You do sometimes have to pull a permit depending upon the city to get the okay to do it. And then there's specific dates as well when you can do it. So I believe it's the end of September. You can start pumping into the sewer. And then it's the end of April. You have to start pumping it back outside. And with this one, you can see there's two valves right here. When they're pulled up like that, they're on. When they're pushed down, they're off. So this one's being directed into the sewer. Well, those are just a few maintenance tips for the sump pump. I'm Mike with Bears Home Solutions.